Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with a stock market update on Monday, June 9th. Last week, the market moved higher and it crossed over the downtrend line that had been connecting the February and May highs. So that's a very positive development, and we should, at least just based on that, but on a few other things as well, we should be expecting S&P to challenge the all-time highs now near 6150. We do have one sell signal still in place, the McMillan volatility band sell signal. That won't really be resolved until S&P reaches one of the outer bands. But many of the other indicators are positive or are turning positive. The equity-only put-call ratios remain on buy signals. They continue to decline. They're in what we might call an overbought state, but they have not generated sell signals. Breadth has improved quite a bit, and in fact, if breadth on the New York Stock Exchange is positive today, then the previous breadth oscillator sell signals will be stopped out and no longer in effect. The number of new highs versus new lows continues to be in a small number, and so we don't have an indicator there. Related to breadth, though, is cumulative volume breadth. And both in terms of the stocks only data and in terms of New York Stock Exchange data, that is setting new all-time highs. And when that happens, that usually indicates S&P will follow along to new all-time highs of its own. So we're holding positions with that regard. VIX itself has fallen, and so the spike peak buy signal of a couple of weeks ago is still in effect. But now there's a new buy signal, what we call the trend of VIX buy signal, because both VIX and its 20-day moving average are below the 200-day moving average. So that's another positive sign. And then finally, the construct of volatility derivatives is mildly bullish at this time as well. So overall, the weight of the evidence is definitely on the bullish side. Things can happen, of course, but we would expect this to continue to the upside based on our current indicator readings. I encourage you to visit our website, take a look at our daily newsletters if you want a more timely view on these things. And meanwhile, have a great week trading.